Hi, my name is Jason Harrison.
And I am James Harrison.
We are the owners and operators of Straw Hat Restoration.
We're general contractors, builders, developers, entrepreneurs, all in all.
We have some pretty cool projects coming up, so why don't you ride along?
Come take a look, join us, and see some of the fun stuff we're doing. Oh, the family members and organization, it is quite the family show. It started off just Jason and I, and quickly grew. We ended up buying Dad's company about a year into it, taking on him and his team and crew. We get Dad, we get Mom as well. It's a package deal, and in reality, she is the real boss. And then we've got 3 cousins that work for us as well, who are incredible. Our best employees, hands down. It's always a risk bringing on family, but they're just amazing.
By the way, we're going to Tim Hortons right now because that's important to us.
It's almost like family as well.
Yeah.
Hello, can I have a large coffee, 2 milks, 1 sweetener?
What did you want?
Small regular?
A small regular, medium dark roast.
Black?
2 milk. Medium dark roast with 2 milk. And that's it.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Our entrepreneurial spirit, which again, we don't just have a construction company, it comes from our parents, 100%. And they are kind of the forerunners, the pioneers for us.
In the early days, it was me. My truck was a Ford Escape. I put drywall on the roof and tarp it overnight for the next morning. My shed was a tarp in the backyard. It was difficult. My actual working days, not office days, the working days was 5:30 to 10:30 every day, and I did that for almost a year.
It is what it is from Jason, just pure force of will, flexing himself, muscling his way through the day-to-day to getting us to where we are, to giving me the opportunity, okay, now I'm able to leave my job, and then we can really ramp it up from there.
Straw Hat Restoration is very multifaceted and confusing.
Diverse.
Company. SHR for short, which is sure, we will do any job. We will learn, and we've always learned that from our fathers. Read a book to learn how to do a job. So we don't say no, we don't shy away from anything. So,
but it's 2018, so watch YouTube.
Yes, so watch YouTube. The jobs we do are how-tos around pools, decks, kitchens, bathrooms, additions, top-ups, full builds, HVAC units for universities, cooling towers on top of hospitals.
Yeah, structural steel for St. Joe's Hospital.
Yeah, gas lines into the engineering at Ryerson building from Acon. What else?
So we're in industrial, commercial.
100-foot deep tunnels for N-Wave. Piping for the Toronto Stock Exchange Tower.
Just a lot of really fun, cool stuff, yeah.
Our next project is called Arms Adventure, and that is a first of its kind adventure theater that combines escape rooms and paintball action.